Starting from Magic UI 6.0, Honor revealed first on-device AI engine, Magic Live. Emphasizing on human-centric on-device AI, Honor believes in developing AI-enabled hardware to empower individuals. Today, we introduce AI-enabled display on the all-new foldable Honor Magic V3, bringing the advanced AI Defocus eye protection. Simulating defocus lens on the smart device's display, the technology induced controlled defocus in the user's peripheral visual field while keeping clear central vision, leading increase on subfoveal choroidal thickness, which indicates the inhibition of the progression of nearsightedness. AI defocus degree adjustment according to environmental changes. Medical experimental data shows an average increase of subfoveal choroidal thickness by 6 micrometers and an average decrease of near-work-induced transient myopia by 13 degrees after reading for 25 minutes. AI-enabled display propels vision health into a new realm. AI-enabled hardware ignite a whole new imagination. The slimmer, the stronger.